All right, this is a quick video of a HAAS-5C collet closer. Gonna start here. That's it, indexing to different positions. You can also jog it manually. It goes slow, and then it will speed up after a certain amount of time. Yeah, counterclockwise, and then you can see it go the other way. You can see it counting here on the screen. Nice and quiet. You can also zero return. Shows the other direction. That basically does it. It's 110 volts plugged into the wall. Thanks for watching.